Assalamu alaikum. Hello learners, you are welcome to my biology class. Today we will start a new chapter, Food and Nutrition, chapter 5, Food and Nutrition. Food. You always eat it without food? No organism can live. Food. Can you tell me what is food? Food, the substances which is digested inside the body and absorbed in the cell, produce energy, prevent disease is called food. Now, the substances which are digested inside the body and absorbed by the cell, produce energy, prevent the body from diseases are called foods. Now, how many types of food? How many types of foods are there? So food, number one, digested, that means the characteristics of food, digested inside the body, absorbed by the cell, produce energy and prevent diseases. Now you can make the definition of food. The substances which are digested inside the body, get absorbed by the cell, produces energy and prevent disease are called food. Basically, whatever you eat can be divided into three types. Three types of food you eat regularly. Number one, protein. Number two, carbohydrates. Number three, fats or oils. Fats and oil. Protein, carbohydrates, fats or oils. These basic three types of food, most important three types of food. This food, protein, growth and development. Protein helps you to growth and development. Carbohydrate, mainly energy producing food, so produce energy. Carbohydrate produce energy. Now, fats and oil produce heat and energy. Protein, growth and development is a bodybuilding. Carbohydrates produce energy and fats and oils produce heat and energy. These basic main three types of food. There are another three types of food. Look, another three types of another three Number 1, vitamins, minerals. Number 3, water. Vitamins, minerals, water. Vitamins, minerals, water. What are the functions of these 3 types of foods? Prevent disease, minerals, controls different chemical reactions, and water. Digestion helps in digestion, thermoregulation, control the temperature of the body. These are the 6 types of food, and you learned it very early in your education. The 6 types of food: protein, carbohydrate, fats, vitamins, minerals, water. What is food? Food basically produce energy, provide nutrition, and prevent disease. That's food. Food are basically 3 types: protein, carbohydrate, fats. Protein helps in growth and development, repair also. Carbohydrate produce energy, fats produce heat and energy. Next, another 3 types of food: vitamins prevent disease, minerals controls different chemical reactions, water helps in digestion and thermoregulation. There is another type of food which has no nutrition value, but this type of food has great role, and the name of that food is RAFES. The name of that food is RAFES. RAFES basically dietary fiber which is not digested. RAFES is basically dietary fiber. You will get RAFES in cereal grains covering of fruits. RAFES is basically cellulose. You know, cellulose. RAFES is basically cellulose. You will get cellulose in the cereal grains covering of fruits, etc. This RAFES basically helps us in bowel function, and sometimes it prevents cancer to some extent. These are the food. Now, protein. Protein is basically composed of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, and nitrogen. 16% nitrogen. Protein. Now, carbohydrate composed of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. Carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. Fat. Carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. Now dear students, look, protein is most important food element. Why? Besides carbon, hydrogen and oxygen, protein also contain nitrogen. Not only nitrogen, protein also contain iron, sulfur, iron, sulfur. For this, protein is considered as most important food element. Protein, now protein is of two types: plant protein and animal protein. Plant protein and animal protein. Can you tell me an example of plant protein? It is bean. Animal protein, most common fish. Another example, dal. All types of dal, pulses, fish, meat, etc. And protein. Now carbohydrate. Carbohydrates are of three types: monosaccharide, disaccharide, polysaccharide. Monosaccharide, the carbohydrate which contains one molecule of C6H12O6, that means one molecule of glucose. Here two molecules of glucose. Here more than two, n molecules of glucose. That means n more than 2. Polysaccharide. Monosaccharide, one molecule of glucose. Disaccharide, two molecules of glucose. And polysaccharide, more than two molecules of glucose. Monosaccharide, disaccharide, polysaccharide. Dear students, protein is absorbed by our body as amino acid, and carbohydrate is absorbed by our body as glucose. Now fats, two types: animal fat, vegetable fats. Vegetable fat, animal fat. Can you give me an example of animal fat? You can. Yolk of egg, animal fat, ghee, butter. Vegetable fat, soybean oil, etc. And fat basically get absorbed by our body as fatty acid. Now we have learned that basically three types of food: protein, carbohydrate and fats. Protein two types: plant protein, animal protein, and protein get absorbed by our body as amino acid, carbohydrate, three types: monosaccharide, disaccharide, and polysaccharide. Monosaccharide contain one molecule of glucose, disaccharide, di means two molecules of glucose, polysaccharide, more than 2 molecules of glucose, and these all the carbohydrates are absorbed by our body as glucose. Now fats, two types of fats: animal fats and vegetable fat. Animal fat, all the fat are basically get absorbed by our body as fatty acid. Dear students, you have learned the basically food and basic three types of food, and I think you have got clear idea about food and basically three types of food. Next class we will discuss with vitamins and next of the food elements. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.